And in case you thought you saw everything, there's also massages on this plane. How is it, Carl?
It's amazing.
So I really just shouldn't.
Gentlemen, how were we able to afford this plane?
I would say only our fans.
And because of that, we invited a bunch of random subscribers on this $500,000 plane ride.
Have you ever flown on a private jet before?
No, this is my first time.
And it's the most expensive one on the planet.
I've never seen anything like this on a plane. Like, this is crazy.
Ma'am, what is this right here?
That's gas station chocolate.
Can you just throw it? I didn't think she'd literally throw it. This is the chocolate you need to serve from now on, okay?
Got it.
It's called Feastables. It's the highest rated chocolate on the planet.
What the heck is over this way?